Today is February 16, 2025, and Toronto is hit with another major snowstorm. It is predicted that the total accumulation will be up to 40 centimeters. The heavy snowfalls have significantly disrupted Toronto transit services, particularly on the above ground level of the subway lines. The substitute buses have replaced subway trains on the Yonge line between Lawrence Station and Bloor Station. Would you like to see what the city's iconic places have transformed to in the snowstorm? Please come with me. Let's have some fun. Some people are walking in snowshoes on the belt line. The shuttle bus has taken me to Bloor and Yonge outside the Bloor Station. Yorkville Village is an upscale shopping and fine dining destination in Toronto. It is known for its high-end boutiques, gourmet food shops, and brand-name flag shops. It is not as busy as it normally is on a weekend. I don't know what they are eating. Are they just eating the snow, or are they eating something else? Outside Starbucks, you can see a hill in the park. It is actually a piece of massive granite from the Canadian Shield. The park is called Village of Yorkville Park. Old York Lane is a charming walkway that is known for its European-like feel. It's one of the historic pathways in Yorkville. Look at the icicles outside the enclosed restaurant patio. Don't they look like waterfalls? The Church of Redeemer is an Anglican church. It is located at the corner of Bloor Street West and Avenue Road. It is a beautiful Gothic Revival-style building that was built in 1879. Here is a Louis Vuitton store on Bloor Street West. I am walking outside the new building of the Royal Ontario Museum. Interesting. Somebody put those red flowers on the fence. I'm going to enter the Philosophers Walk, which is a part of the University of Toronto campus. On the left side, you can see the museum's new building as well as the old building. This is the back of the Royal Conservatory of Music, a part of U of T. Can you see the chair is buried in deep snow? This is the back of Rome. Let me continue to walk on the Philosophers Walk. Very pretty here. The collegiate Gothic building is Trinity College. It was founded in 1851. The style is inspired by that of Oxford and Cambridge in England. I am walking in Queen's Park. The sculpture is that of King Edward VII. The snow is still falling. Look at the park benches, they are buried in snow. This is the west side of Queen's Park building, Ontario Legislative building. This is the front of the Ontario Legislative building. Look at the snow piles. They use it as the storage for winter snow. This is Women's College Hospital. Now I'm inside College Park. This long weekend is both for Valentine's Day as well as Ontario Family Day. The tunnel apparently is a new art installation outside College Park on the west side of Yonge Street. Do you see the lights are changing colors? Well, there are some exciting shops on the east side of Yonge Street. More shops and police cars. This is the Student Learning Centre of Toronto Metropolitan University. It was called Ryerson University before. It is still snowing. Lots of people are walking around on Dundas Square and outside Eaton Centre. I can even see a tour bus on the other side of Yonge Street. This space behind Old City Hall has been used for snow storage. This woman is sitting in the snow. She has been screaming. It's very cold. I hope she's alright. The next place I'm going to visit is Toronto's Old City Hall. It is a stunning Romanesque revival building. It is currently used as the courthouse. This is the west side of Toronto's Old City Hall from Phillips Square. The building is the current City Hall and skating rink. Skating is not allowed on the rink. A lot of people are still visiting the spot to take photos in the snow. Oh my God, do you like snow? Okay, alright, I'm sorry to bother you. Bye bye. Here is a smiley. We can always smile. Snowplow trucks are rushing somewhere. I am going to take Bay Street to go south. Now I am at the entrance of St. Regis Hotel on Adelaide Street. The hotel is using its own snow removing vehicle to clean the sidewalk and the entrance. Car is still running on King Street. I am at King and the Bay, the heart of the financial district. More piles of snow and snow removing activities on Bay Street. I am walking on the side of Commerce Court West, which is the head office of CIBC. That is a bank, I'm sure you know. On the other side of the street, you can see the TD Tower, which is the head office of TD, and also the First Canadian Place, that is the head office of Bank of Montreal. And this reddish brown building is the head office of Scotia Bank. At the intersection of Wellington Street West and Bay Street, it is the Tower of Royal Bank. This is Fairmont Royal York Hotel. The architectural style is shuttle-esque. It was built in 1929. On the other side of the street, it's Toronto's Union Station, which is a transportation hub. Wow, lots of snow outside Union Station. The snow is still falling, but not as hard. From a distance, you can see CN Tower now. I think the snow has stopped. The subway is still not running. Many people are waiting outside Bloor Station to get the shuttle bus to go home in the northern part of Toronto. I'm just waiting like the rest of them. Hopefully the bus will come soon. Waiting for the shuttle bus.